Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do when you forget your lock screen password on Redmi Note 7 Pro. Okay, so let's say that we have forgotten our password and we cannot unlock our device. I'm sorry, but we will be forced to reset this phone when we want to do it on our own. And only through the reset we'll be able to turn off the lock screen, but you need to have in mind that all of your data will be erased from the device. Also, if you don't want to do it on your own, you can also visit the authorized service center with the proof of ownership of your device and there look for help. Or also you can contact the brand support for account recovery options. It might work. But if you want to do it on our own, we need to factory reset our device. Just like I have said, you will lose all of your data, so have that in mind. So first, we are going to erase this device and perform the factory reset through the recovery mode. So first, let's power off the device, hold the power button and hit the power off. Okay, and now we need to use the two button combination to enter the recovery mode. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. So simply keep holding both of the buttons. Keep holding until we get in the recovery mode. Okay, and now to move around this menu, we use the volume keys, just like that. Now we need to select wipe data, confirm by clicking the power button, select wipe all data, hit the confirm. In here you can also read that this cannot be undone. Now the process has started, so we need to wait until it's finished. Okay, head back to main menu, select the reboot to system, and now within a second the device will be automatically turned on back again. And now all we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.